Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an image slider in Figma. First, begin by creating a new frame in Figma, which will serve as the container for your slider. Make sure to set its width and height to your desired dimensions, perhaps a common aspect ratio like 16 by 9. Next, import your images and place them inside this frame, ensuring each image is exactly the same size for a consistent look. Arrange them horizontally, one after another, ready for the next step. Now, let's bring your slider to life using Figma's powerful prototyping tools. Select your first image and connect it to the next one using an interaction. Choose an on-click or on-drag trigger, depending on how you want users to navigate. Crucially, set the animation to Smart Animate with an easing of ease out and a duration of around 300 milliseconds. This creates a smooth, professional transition between each image, making your slider feel responsive and engaging. To enhance user experience, add intuitive navigation controls. You can design simple arrow icons on either side of your slider or create small dot indicators below it. Once designed, group these controls with your main slider frame. Then, in prototype mode, link each arrow or dot to its respective image frame. For instance, clicking the right arrow should transition to the next image, again using Smart Animate for a seamless flow. This gives users clear visual cues and control. Finally, it's time to test and refine your image slider. Enter prototype presentation mode to interact with your creation. Click through the images, drag them, and use your navigation controls to ensure everything works as intended. Pay close attention to the animation timings. Perhaps a duration of 250 milliseconds feels snappier, or a different easing curve provides a smoother effect. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your slider is perfectly polished and responsive for your users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.